This is the birthplace of the world's most recognizable anti-tank weapon, the RPG-7.
It begins with a simple sheet of steel, destined to become the launch tube.
The tube is rolled under immense pressure. It must withstand the pressure of a rocket ignition right next to the soldier's ear.
Automated welding seals the seam. A single microscopic crack here would be catastrophic.
Every tube is X-rayed. We trust physics, not luck.
The rear cone is the secret. It balances the recoil, allowing the weapon to be fired from the shoulder without knocking the soldier over.
Simple steel grips. Rugged, uncomfortable, but unbreakable.
The dovetail rail. It allows modern optics to be fitted to this 60-year-old design.
Birch wood heat shields are still used. They insulate the soldier's cheek from the freezing steel or the scorching heat of firing.
The wood is sealed against rot, mud, and blood. It gives the weapon its iconic look.
Steel and wood. The classic combination of 20th century warfare.
Now, the Warhead. This is where the lethality is born.
The copper cone. This is the heart of the shaped charge.
Physics is strange. When the explosive detonates, this copper cone will turn into a hypersonic jet of molten metal.
A precise blend of TNT and RDX. Too stable, it won't fire. Too volatile, it explodes in the factory.
The molten death is poured. It must cool slowly to prevent air bubbles. Once cooled, the explosive is rock hard, ready to channel all its energy forward.
The piezoelectric fuse. On impact, it generates an electric spark to detonate the warhead instantly.
Propulsion unit. We wrap cardboard and resin to create a lightweight motor casing.
Strip propellant. It burns fast, launching the grenade at 115 meters per second.
The fins are spring-loaded. They stay folded in the tube and snap open the moment they leave the muzzle.
If a fin fails to open, the rocket spirals out of control. Reliability is non-negotiable.
The warhead and motor are mated. The iconic RPG-7 grenade takes shape.
Olive drab. The universal color of military hardware.
Batch numbers and explosive type are marked. Vital info for the gunner.
The components meet. The launcher and the ammunition.
The firing pin must protrude exactly 2 millimeters. Any less, it won't fire.
The trigger is simple. A hammer hits a pin. No batteries, no chips, no problems. The optic allows for precision out to 500 meters. Without it, it's just guesswork. The reticle is designed to estimate range based on the height of a tank.
Cosmoline. It preserves the steel for decades in damp bunkers. Wrapped like a mummy, it can sleep in a crate for 50 years and wake up ready to fight.
The grenades are packed separately. Safety regulations written in blood.
The safety cap prevents accidental detonation if dropped.
We select one round from every batch for the ultimate test.
The round is loaded. The propellant strip is aligned.
The target is 300 millimeters of rolled homogeneous steel armor.
Fire.
The booster charge ejects it. Then the sustainer motor kicks in. The shaped charge jet punched through solid steel like a hot needle through butter.
Production continues. The demand never ends.
The gunner carries the tube. The assistant carries the ammo.
The booster charge screws onto the tail. It is what launches the grenade out of the tube.
Cleanliness is survival. One spark here means the end of the factory. The machines are reset. The next shift begins.
Iron sights. Simple backup if the optic breaks.
Sealed against the elements.
Pallets of tank killers ready for export.
They will be shipped to deserts, jungles, and mountains.
Locked away until they are needed.
The molds must be mirror smooth to create a perfect copper cone.
Pure copper. Any impurity disrupts the jet.
Hard work. Dangerous work.
Discipline keeps us safe.
A design from the 1960s, still dominating the battlefield today.
Every tube has a history waiting to be written.
Maintenance is key.
The boxes wait to be filled. The residue of power. A small comfort against the recoil.
Safety on. Safety off.
Small parts, big impact.
The geometry of destruction.
The explosive settles. The sun sets on another day of production.
Guarded by silence.
Three letters known worldwide.
The factory is secure.
The copper cone, waiting for its moment.
This is how the RPG-7 is made.